Hi,
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
My name is Monique. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you, Monique. My name is Ahmed.
Ahmed, okay. I just want to make a quick note.
Yeah.
No. Oh my gosh, I'm doing homeschooling with my kids and it's a big mess in my office today. So make a note. Okay, Ahmed. Where are you from? If I
I'm
may
from,
ask?
I'm from Iraq.
Iraq. Wow,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
I haven't spoken to someone in Iraq in a long time. For a long
Wow.
time now. Yeah, so it's nice to meet you.
So
Let-
you have had some students from Iraq?
I think about 2 people, yeah. Both from Baghdad, right? The capital?
Yeah, from Baghdad, yeah. Yeah. Me-
Baghdad. Oh, okay. Is it Baghdad? Is
Yeah,
that how we say it?
Yeah,
Okay.
Baghdad.
In Afrikaans, which is similar to Dutch, it's my home language. We say
Yeah.
Baghdad, like that.
Ye-
Baghdad.
Yeah.
That's why I'm confused. Okay.
I have met some people, tutors from South Africa, and they told me the Africans, when they want to pronounce certain words or certain letters, they pronounce it from the throat, like
Yes. Yeah, it's a terrible sound, right? It's and
yeah, that's right.
yeah, it's a very strong sound that they make. Baghdad. So
So
yeah.
do you speak Afrikaans?
Yes, I'm actually English, but my husband and my kids are Afrikaans, so I'm bilingual. Oh, yeah. But in South Africa, 99% of us are bilingual. We can speak more than one language. Some people can speak 5 or 6 languages here. So
Yeah.
it's a bet. I can only speak 2. And you?
You could say I'm bilingual because I speak Arabic and English.
Yeah, Arabic.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I wish I will be trilingual, speak 3 languages. I hope one day.
What other language would you like to speak?
I would like to speak Turkish.
Oh, okay. Turkish. Why Turkish?
Turkish because I love Turkish culture, so
Yeah.
I want to get to know this language, and this language sound familiar to me because it's we have some words in common between Arabic and Turkish. It makes it easy for me.
But it's interesting because Turkish, to me, it doesn't feel like it fits in anywhere, right? It's not Arabic. It's not like a European language. It sounds Russian, but it's not Russian.
But it's not Russian, yeah.
Yeah, so it's interesting. Tell me, where do you stay? Do you stay in Baghdad as well?
Yeah. I live
Okay.
in Baghdad, yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, it's nice to meet you today. Let me also just introduce myself. I
Thank
never
you.
even introduced myself. So,
Yeah.
yes, okay, as you assume, I'm from South Africa. I
Yeah.
stay close to Johannesburg at the moment.
Johannesburg, yeah.
In 2 months' time, I'm actually moving to Cape Town. So I'm really excited. We're going to open a business. My husband is going to take let me just quickly retrenchment package. I don't know if maybe you could translate it. Retrenchment package from a mine. He works for a coal mine as an engineer. But we're going to take a retrenchment package and open a business in Cape Town. So we're very excited.
What is the business about?
It will just be a car servicing business and an all-wheel drive vehicle accessories business, basically. Yeah, but it's a franchise.
I didn't get it. Like you mean you will open a store for selling car accessories?
Yeah, car accessories, but also servicing and doing car diagnostics, if it makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then also there's a car spa, it's a waterless car cleaning service because in Cape Town, there isn't enough water. They always struggle with water.
With water,
Having enough water, yeah. So it's a waterless car cleaning service, basically, as well as an attachment to the business. So
I
we're
bet your husband works he had an engineer degree.
Yes, yeah, mechanical engineering, and he works in tribology, but he's really tired of working for a coal mine. It's a dirty, filthy,
Yeah.
polluted environment. We're so tired of this place, and
Yeah.
the smog in the air is very bad. It's actually for health purposes that we want to move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's maybe it could like hurt his leg.
Yeah,
He
it is actually
work
hurting
that.
our lungs. Exactly. Yeah. When they do X-rays, they can see little clouds forming in the lungs, and it's because of the pollution that we are surrounded with here.
Yeah.
So anyway, and yes, I have 2 kids, 2 school-going girls, an 8-year-old and a 6-year-old. So
Yeah.
that's me. How about
It's clear to see